Hi guys, do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates of new videos from Swati Life and Style.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be unboxing Glamego box February 2018. It's their Valentine's edition and let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about the pricing first. If you subscribe for 1 month only, then you have to pay Rs 399. If you are subscribing for 3 months, then you will have to pay Rs 329 per box, and if you subscribe for 6 months, then you will have to pay Rs 299 per box, and if you subscribe for 12 months, then you will have to pay just Rs 289 per box. You are getting 4 beauty products this month worth Rs 2300 for just Rs 289, and you don't have to pay separately for shipping. Really a great deal. And all the details about Glamego box will be mentioned in the description box as well. Now let's check out the products I have got in this month's Glamego box. So as you can see, there's a puzzle kind of print on this month's Glamego box. You have to mark your loved one's last name or middle name here. Take a picture of that and post it on your social handles and tag Glamego. In this contest, you get a chance of winning a 10,000 rupees voucher from Shoppers Stop. That's really amazing. And in case you are unable to find the name, then write it here on the card and post a pic of that and tag Glamego. So friends, in this month's Glamego box, we are getting a step-by-step get ready with me kind of products. So the first product I received is a gel-based Choco face pack by MCaffeine. This one is for dry skin. This product has been selected by me. My skin is feeling dry these days due to winter, but you can select the other variant for oily skin as well. This one is priced at Rs 359 for 25 ml of product. It smells exactly like chocolates, and literally there's a warning too. Don't let your honey eat the pack. And chocolate is really a great ingredient for skincare products. It gives nourishment and glow to the skin. The variant I received contains aloe and seaweed along with the chocolate, but the other variant, which is for oily skin, contains argan oil. And here again you get a discount code. You can get 15% off if you buy the entire caffeine range from MCaffeine.com. And here all the details about these face packs for both the skin types are mentioned. Okay, so the next product is this Kronokare Pollution Stop Face Mist. The price of this product is $4.95 for 30 ml bottle, and it's for all skin types. You have to spray it on your face before applying cream. It acts like a shield against pollution nanoparticles and it soothes the skin. It's free from sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone. And I think this is a great product to be used before stepping out. I have never used this kind of product before, so really looking forward to it. Moving on to the third product, it's the Nature's Company Saffron Radiance Face Cream. It's worth Rs 550 for 25 ml of product, and it has been made exclusively for Glamego. And as you guys know, saffron is a great ingredient for skincare. This cream claims that its age-defying formula promotes natural fairness and youthful radiance by diminishing age spots and keeping fine lines at bay. And this cream also contains aloe vera, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, wheat germ oil and almond oil. It's really a great cream. Okay, so the last product I received in this month's Glamego box is this Natural Bath and Body Mist, and it's the Wild Wonder, the Wicked Whiff of Wilderness. It's a 200 ml bottle and it smells so fresh, a bit strong for me, but there's a hint of sweetness that I like. This fourth product is something that we can select. You may receive a makeup product as well up to Rs 900. So that was all for this month's Glamego box, and I really liked the quality of the products. In just Rs 299, these 4 products are really a good deal. Although the box is sent by the company, but I am really liking the overall quality of Glamego box. And that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. And if you do so, then please hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye.